You know how difficult it can be to find good customer service these days. At Colonial Penn, it's their #1 priority. Call them now. You'll be glad you did.
At Colonial Penn, we've been serving our customers for over 50 years, and we have over 500,000 life insurance policies in force. That helps cover funeral costs, medical bills, credit card balances, or other final expenses. We're committed to our customers. We make insurance simple.
Call 1-800-228-5450 for your free information and free gift. There's no